cake which is one of kids' favorite recipe, and it's called chocolate sponge cake. Meher, my daughter, will be showing you how to bake a cake and how to make it. So let's start with the ingredients. Meher, let's show your friends what ingredients we need to bake a cake and make it too. First of all, this is maida or refined flour. We have taken 1.5 cup plus a little more. I'll let you know the ingredients as soon as possible. Cooking oil. This is going to be a vegetarian cake. This is soda bicarb as well as baking soda. These are some freshly chopped. This is cocoa powder. This is castor sugar. We have just taken some sugar and grind it. This is curd. And we have added a little bit of vanilla essence too. These are the measuring cups and these are the measuring spoons. I have measured all the ingredients together. These are some walnuts for garnishing, as well as these are some chocolate chips. So Meher, let's start with the cake.
Okay, Mama.
First of all, we will start with the
Curd.
We will mix curd with soda bicarb and baking powder. Meher, please mix it well so that it can rise easily. Thank you, beta. You're doing a good job.
I need some spatula.
No, you don't need a spatula. We just need to whisk it properly. And just keep this on one side. Now we will start with sieving the flour. First, take a sieve and start when it comes to half, we can add some cocoa powder to it, which will, as we all know that we are going to make a chocolate cake. Come on, Meher, you can do it properly. Awesome. And before I forget, please preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, so that we are ready for the cake. Meher, now we are going to add castor sugar to this. So Meher, we will be adding castor sugar. The measurements I'll be providing you soon. And now, most important, cooking oil. You can take any vegetable oil to it. And Meher, start mixing slowly. Fold, cut. Fold, cut. Yeah. Fold, cut. Fold, cut. Okay. We will be going to grease our tin before the cake batter is ready. Meher, will you do this for me? And adding some little maida to it. No. Mix the ingredients well, please. See, Meher, as you have seen, we have mixed the ingredients very well. Now, as we will be adding curd mixture to it. Yes, Meher?
Yes.
With the help of the spatula, we will be mixing it so. An electric mixer. So Meher, let's whisk it for 10 minutes. Here you go, Meher. Come on. See, the shine and the texture has become very fluffy. This is how you make a cake.
To add it more chocolatey, you have to use some chocolates.
Add cake batter into our mousse. Wow, Meher, it's looking yummy and tempting.
It's very chocolatey.
Yes, just a minute. I'll help you out with the mix.
Okay.
Let's do it. Now, Meher, let's add some walnuts.
Okay.
Chocolate and walnut goes very well.
Oh, and yummy.
Okay. And why don't you add some sprinklers to that or two?
Okay.
That's it. Now it is ready to go in the oven. We have kept our cakes in the oven, and the oven is 180 degrees Celsius, and we bake.
So please try it